Welcome back to my channel. So we are going to be doing recipe number 4 with HelloFresh, and it's actually Hubby's turn to cook. And today he decided to make, what are you making?
The ginger beef stir fry.
So he's going to be making the ginger beef stir fry, and these are the steps.
So for this recipe we have to use 1 long red chili. It's optional, but this is definitely going in. A couple of pieces of garlic, some ginger, snow peas, cucumber, and some jasmine rice. It's here in a packet here. We'll cook this a bit later. Some crushed peanuts and 300 grams of beef stir fry.
The recipe, it says to cook the rice in like boiling water and stuff, but I'm just gonna put this in our rice cooker, so he'll go on with your recipe is not even the right recipe. So yeah, I'm gonna cook this in the rice cooker. It says to cook it in like a boiling pot, but I'm just gonna use this one a lot easier.
So we're just peeling the garlic. I want to de-seed it, love. I want the seeds.
Okay, keep them.
So with the chili, it says to de-seed it, but that's where all the flavor is, so we're going to keep it. We love the hot food. We're going to slice up the zucchini, not a cucumber. 2-centimeter chunks. Triangles.
So here it says, why does it say that?
Yeah.
Trim the ends of the snow peas. Usually, with us, we do the whole top and tail.
Yeah, just trim the ends.
No, like you know how they say that they have like, oh, whatever. We'll do it this way. Usually we'll have to peel the sides of it off. Snow peas. So I just trimmed the ends of the snow peas. And I'm gonna just give this a quick wash so they're ready for our guests to use.
Okay, so this time we're gonna marinate the beef. So I've got the beef in a bowl here, and we're gonna add half of the ginger that we grated. Okay, we'll add half of that ginger. Half of the garlic, half of the chili as well, for some olive oil. Just gonna mix it all around.
What was the staples that you needed? Brown sugar. What else? Soy sauce?
Yeah.
Anything else? I'll set that aside for how many minutes?
About 15 to 20 minutes.
To marinate?
If you want it to be really, really tasty.
Okay. So 15 minutes is up already. The meat has been marinated, and now Marcus is going to
Cook the meat. We're just heating up the pan. We're going to put some olive oil in the pan.
Marcus is good at making stir fries. It's all he knows.
That's all I know how to cook.
He knows how to just put oyster sauce as well as like soy sauce and what other sauces, whatever he wants to flavor his stir fry. Yeah, I taught him how to make stir fry, so that's why he's doing this recipe today. He chose the easy one, cheating.
Alright, so the recipe says to cook the meat in half. So like in 2 batches. To avoid tenderizing apparently, so let's do that. So I grab half of the meat, pop it in here.
So here's your plate for when you're done cooking.
And it says to cook for about 2 minutes. Alright, so once you've browned the meat, we're going to do the next half. Add some more olive oil. And we're going to have to cook all the zucchini first. For about 2 minutes. Okay, now that it's all softened up now, we're going to add the rest of the chili. The rest of the ginger, garlic, and the snow peas. Do this for about 2 minutes. So now we're going to add some 2 teaspoons of brown sugar. And you hold the meat back into the pan. Then you let all the meat suck up all the juices. Keep stirring and stirring.
So this is the rice. I cooked in the rice cooker. Kind of cheated a little bit. It's time to plate up. Rice is good. Pop that in here in the middle.
Just season it with some salt and pepper. It's empty.
And this is what our stir fry looks like. Looks really good. Now time to plate up. We have our rice here that is ready. We cooked it in the rice cooker. Just want to put this on top. I think there's plenty here for like serving of 3.
It comes with peanuts for the finishing touches.
So if you have any food allergies to peanuts, do not put that on.
Yeah, don't put this on if you're allergic to peanuts. But we will use them. So it says is to grab a fingerful and sprinkle it on top.
Fingerful?
A pinch. The sprinkle could have been better.
And there is dinner tonight. So, and this is what dinner looks like. So this one is Marcus's plate and this one is mine. And now for the taste test. Want to taste it, Baba?
Mhm.
So now we're going to do the taste test, which is like the part that I'm excited about. There's actually a lot of food here. Like, there's heaps of stir fry left over. I think I might have put a little bit too much rice on your plate as well. Definitely feeds more than 2 people.
It's good.
Yummy.
With that sweet taste.
I can really taste the ginger as well.
Yeah.
The ginger and the garlic. So if you're not really a fan of those kind of flavors, you can like you know, add just a little bit of it. But I love all those flavors and it's really nice and tasty.
And the chili's good too.
Not too spicy now.
That's good.
I know.
Alright, let's eat.
And the crunch of the peanuts is good as well. So that is it for recipe number 4. We have one more to go, which is the chicken parmigiana. Keep an eye out for that one. And thank you guys for watching. Thanks for dinner, Bob. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you guys again next time. Bye.